Hello content creators, do you want to turn your videos into SEO optimized blog posts in just minutes? So no transcribing, no rewriting, just pure content magic. Today, I'll show you how to take your video content or just your YouTube link and transform it into high quality blog posts automatically. Let's dive in. Running both a YouTube channel and writing a blog can feel overwhelming, right? What if your videos could do the double duty? With quso.ai, you can repurpose your videos into professional, SEO optimized blog posts, fast and hassle-free. Stick around and I'll show you how. First things first, head over to quso.ai, sign up for a free account. Now, once you're on the platform, click on the tab that says Generate Written Content from Your Videos and paste your YouTube URL or upload your video. For this demo, I will use a YouTube link. It supports all major formats like MP4, M4V, MOV. See that? The AI immediately starts processing your video content so you can sit back and relax. Once done, you can see a number of options to choose from. But for this demo, we will choose SEO article. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, the video is now ready to be published as a blog article. But wait, there's more. What if I tell you can also customize and prompt blog to make sure your blog fits your needs? Just like ChatGPT, you can use Vidyo, your personal AI content assistant, set the blog length, or adjust the tone to match your brand voice. This is where you can make your blog truly yours. Happy with your blog? Just hit copy and paste it into your blogging platform of choice. And that's it. You've turned a video into a polished blog post in no time. Simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and then hit subscribe for more content repurposing tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to try quso.ai today. The link's in the description. Go check it out and let me know how it works for you. See you in the next video.